This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending March 4th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is a stable coin? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 1.17% on Friday and was up 1.75% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.61% on Friday and was up 1.9% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 1.97% on Friday and was up 2.58% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 10 up finishes versus 5 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday and Thursday, all the major indexes finished up. On Tuesday, they all finished down. On Wednesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. And on Friday, all the major indexes finished up again. New unemployment claims were 190,000. Mortgage rates jumped over 7% this week. Mortgage demand dropped to a 28-year low. Signed contracts on existing homes jumped 8.1% in January. Home prices gains slowed sharply to end 2022, and the 2-year Treasury yield reached highs not seen in more than a decade. New unemployment claims, mortgage rates jumping back over 7%, mortgage demand dropping to a 28-year low, signed contracts on existing homes jumping, home price gains slowing, and the 2-year Treasury yield reaching a 10-year high are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the president, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is a stable coin? A stable coin is a type of cryptocurrency that is pegged or tied to a reference asset such as fiat currency like the US dollar, a precious metal like gold, or an exchange traded fund, or even tied to another cryptocurrency. The purpose of stablecoins are to provide an alternative to high volatility popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Because of the high volatility of Bitcoin, it is less suitable for some transactions. Stablecoins having less volatility are thought to be more suitable for transactions. Are you interested in using stablecoins? Are you interested in Bitcoin? Or are you interested in owning any crypto stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing, books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending March 4th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week is Wynn Resorts. Ticker symbol WINN. It's in the second column. It increased 2.13% on Friday and was up 9.76% for the week. Wynn Resorts Limited designs, develops, and operates integrated resorts, which includes hotels and casinos in Las Vegas, Nevada, and Macau. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Wynn has increased 40.45% year to date. I did not trade Wynn this week, but I have traded it in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow. That is trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside Portfolio is up 24.17% versus 5.69% up for SPY, a difference of 18.48%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 18.5%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 2.03% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 2.32%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 1.97%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin lost 3.12% this past week and continues to be in a bear market. It is down more than 67% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on 2 positions this week. They were both calls that range from $6.35 to $35.35. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week on the website SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are arranged in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3, and they are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.